Do you see those shiny bone straight wigs online and start wondering why yours doesn't shine like that? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how exactly we achieve that flawless, smooth finish that moves and shine effortlessly. First, let's talk about the product that you need. So you need your hair mayonnaise. So this acts as a deep conditioner. It helps to moisturize, soften, and nourish the hair fibers. So next is our keratin treatment. This adds strength, smoothness, and elasticity to the hair. Keratin fill-ins the weak spots in each strand, making the hair sleek and frizz-free. Next is the miracle conditioner for processed hair. So please note that this miracle conditioner, it comes in two. There are ones for like the normal human hair and there are one for processed hair. So make sure that you're getting the one for the processed hair. So this restores shine and makes the strands flexible. So the product I'm using here is totally optional. You don't have to use it. So the next one is our Adore Crystal Clear. This is the most important product here. This is the one that you should not skip at all. So it is the final touch that gives your wig that glass-like shine and glow. It enhances thickness and softness instantly. So this one is the one you should not miss. So now let's move on to the preparation. In a clean bowl, pour a generous amount of hair mayonnaise as your base. Then you add few pumps of the keratin treatment, not too much actually. So then you go in with your miracle conditioner. Then you pour the Adore Crystal Clear. Please be generous with that Adore Crystal Clear because this is the most important product in this treatment. So you mix everything together thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy blend. Now it's time to apply it to your wig. So make sure your wig is clean and slightly damp. So before applying, because this helps the product to penetrate better. So you can actually place your wig on the mannequin head, or you can even hold it. So I'm going to apply mine in this bowl. So be generous while applying the product. That means that don't use like a little product. Just make sure that okay, we are doing 2 weeks. This should be enough for the 2 weeks. I don't know if you are getting me. So then use a white tooth comb to distribute the product evenly through the strands. Yeah, I used a soft take because the wig is a bone straight wig, so it was actually easy for me to comb through. So but if you are working on, let me say, a bouncy hair, make sure that you use a white tooth comb. So once this is done, just cover the wig with a plastic cap or nylon bag and let it sit for about, let's say, 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how dry or how dull the hair looks before. So for even better results, you can actually wrap it with a warm towel or place it under a steamer. All these are optional. You know, they are optional. You don't have to do this, but for me, this is what I did. So after that, you now rinse thoroughly with cool water. Please do not rinse with hot water. Do not rinse with hot water. So cool water helps seal the hair cuticle and it locks in the moisture and shine. So make sure that all the products is rinsed out. Then gently squeeze out excess water and pat it dry. So I was done applying the product here. Can you see how shiny the hair is looking already? And I was just done applying, not like I've left it for 15 to 20 minutes. So imagine if I leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. I know you guys will be back to tell me thank you. So bye guys, that will be all for now. See you in my next tutorial.